Hello and welcome to AltheaSuite. Today I'm going to show you how we can apply serial numbers to our invoices. To get started, we're going to go into our sales module, and then we're going to go up there at the top left to create a new sales invoice. I'm going to grab a customer. I'm going to ship this to my customer's billing address, and then I'm going to be shipping this item to my customer. Now, when it comes to adding items into the grid, we do have this checkbox right here. If you want to add a new line for each serialized item, if we keep that unchecked, that just allows us to add any item and then we can manipulate the quantity. But let's go ahead and check that. And then we're going to go ahead and add our item. Once we add our item into the grid, it's going to ask us for the add-ons. We're going to skip that. And it's going to ask us for a warranty. We're going to say no warranty. Now, once the item comes down into the grid, if we scroll to the right-hand side, we have a serial number column like this, and we also have a warehouse column. So depending on which warehouse that we choose, we will get a list of all the serial numbers that are available. So in Redmond number one, we have all of these available for this item, but it does reference the serial number plus the warehouse it's sitting in, and then which status it is. So in this case, we have a lot that are in hand. In some cases, you will see that the serial number will say a committed status. That means it's already assigned to a sales invoice or an order. So let's go ahead and choose a serial number right here. So once we choose that serial number, it's going to leave it like that, and then we can go ahead and continue on with our sale. Now, if we did not want to associate a serial number at this point of the sale, because maybe we're just creating the sales invoice, maybe we haven't found the serial number to assign to the sale yet. So we can continue this with a blank serial number. If you decide to do that and hit the Pay Now section to go to the next screen, it'll ask you, are you sure you want to continue with the blank serial number? But let's go ahead and associate that now since we know what serial number it is. Now, if we hit the Pay Now button, it won't ask us for that message. Now, at this point, we'll go ahead and take the payment. Go ahead and take this as a balance. Then we'll go ahead and save this invoice. So that's how to assign serial numbers to your invoices. Thank you.